join me. I'm going to cook one pot chicken biryani. This is my first time I'm going to cook chicken biryani, and this is these are the ingredients. I have this chicken bone broth from Nutra Organics. I actually copied the recipe from their book. And this is our basmati rice. And pepper, paprika. It says smoked paprika, and this is the brochure that where my ideas came from. I copied the recipes because I'm into Nutra Organics at the moment. These are, and of course, our main ingredients is here: chicken thigh, 4 pieces of chicken thigh, but when I bought some, they gave me 5, so I think it will be fine. And then we have here our spices, fresh one, onion, garlic, and ginger. So I'm going to start now. Yes, it is. I actually also use cumin powder. Once the pan is heated, I'm going to add a cumin, smoked paprika, and garam masala. I'm going to roast it for a little bit. So here's our cumin, paprika, and garam masala. I'm gonna mix them together and toast it a little bit until the fragrance will come out. Toasting. Looks like it's okay now. It's ready. Too much roasting, hey. So here's our here's our roasted paprika masala and cumin with salt and pepper on it. So I'm going to mix it together, and I will use the half of this to season the chicken. Alright, good luck to my cooking. I hope this will work. This is my first time actually, and let's see how it's spicy, but I'm not using chili though. That's enough. And here's half of the spices. Then I'm gonna season the chicken. Yeah. Look at that. I think I roasted it a bit longer. That's why it looks like this. Let's see. And after I'm gonna leave that for a moment. Just leave that for a while. And let's heat up the pan again. Garlic and something slower. Cook it for 10 minutes until the onions come close. I smoked this onions, garlic, and ginger on the side, and I'm going to put the chicken now. So it will make it turn brown. With our chicken. 1, 2. I have 5 chicken. Meant to be brown. It's already brown, guys, because of the spices. Yay. Not in the space for this. There's a chicken roll there. So I'm going to, I think the chicken is a bit golden brown now. I'm going to set it aside so I can put it away. It says there. I'll just keep following what the recipe says, guys. And then I'm going to add cauliflower. Actually, I'm not using a cauliflower, guys. I'm using okra. It's a bindi. I'm going to use that one. And then the spices, the remaining spices that I have. Remember I put it in half. That's going to be really spicy. And then cardamom. I think I'm going to add the cardamom, please. Cinnamon is one. This is a cinnamon one, 1 stick. I think it's a bit strong. Okay, I'll just add the cinnamon sticks. And then is the 3 pads of cardamom. That one. The cardamom. And I'm going to add this chicken bone broth from Neutral Organics. This is how it looks like. One chicken bone broth. It says 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons. I'll add this one here. Add it there. This one is like a sparkling bone broth. This one. And then add also 2 cups of water, 2.5 cups of water. 1, 2, yeah, 2.5. I'll just heat up a little bit. Now let's stir this one for a bit. Like this. I don't know how my okra works, guys. It's meant to be cauliflower, but I forgot to buy, and I have this okra in my fridge instead. So that's what I'm using. Oh wait, I forgot the rice. I need to wash the rice first. Here's the rice. I already put the basmati rice in here. Then I'm going to put back the chicken inside. Chicken. These are chicken. Big pieces of chicken. There. I feel like I'm gonna feed the whole town. Actually, I'm the only one gonna eat this one. There. These are chicken. forgot I need to heat up my oven. Oh, give me a second. So this is ready for go to the oven. I'm gonna wait for the oven to heat up first. I forgot to heat it up in the beginning. Now, well, I'm gonna cover it. Oh wait, I need to remove this bun so it won't melt, because this pan is a salad master and I can use it in the oven as well, so that's why. Okay, oven is heated up. It is there. Let's wait for it's a bit warm. A bit, I forgot it really. Just not for 20 minutes. Now it's in the oven. It looks like my oven doesn't have a. Let's close it and wait for 20 minutes. Okay, it's 20 minutes now. I've already put the green peas on here, and then I'm going to put it back again for another 5 minutes. It's still a bit watery, but the rice is actually soft now. So a little bit more. It's nearly there, and then it's really tastes so good. I just tasted it. It's so nice. The rice needs to cook. Still a bit crunchy rice. I think the okra really works well. Yum. Okay, put it back in the oven. Back in the oven for another 5 minutes or a little bit, maybe 10 minutes. So here's my one pot chicken biryani, guys, and look at that. I added some almond flakes on it, but I don't have the coriander leaf, so I couldn't find it, and some lemon to make the nice presentation. And I already tasted and it tastes really good. Oh, it's so good. Thanks to Nutra Organics for my recipe, and I really love my chicken biryani. Let's eat, my friends. Okay, I'm gonna squeeze some lemon a little bit on it, but I don't have a yogurt with me, so that's fine. It's not spicy anyway, so I don't need yogurt because I couldn't bear spicy, and it's not good for me. And it's very nice and yummy. Look at my okra. Instead of cauliflower, it's an okra. And my peas and my Thai chicken. This is really nice. Tastes so good. Bon appetit, amigo. Bye.